Combustion and Flame, Chapter 6 for Class 8th. Combustion. The chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to produce heat is called combustion. Means combustion is a chemical process in which a substance this reacts with oxygen and air to produce heat. So this process is called combustion. And the substance which undergo combustion, so they are called combustible substances. And combustible substances are also called fuel. Sometimes light is also produced during combustion, either in the form of flame as given in the PIC candle flame or as a glow. Okay. And air is also necessary for combustion. Combustion can't take place in the absence of air. So air is the necessary condition for combustion to take place. Our topic is conditions necessary for combustion. The conditions necessary for combustions are fuel, presence of fuel. Second is air, to supply oxygen. And third, heat, this is needed to raise the temperature of the substance beyond the ignition temperature. Children, ignition temperature is that temperature, that minimum temperature at which a substance catch fire. A substance will not burn without one or more of these conditions. If out of these three conditions any one is missing, then the substance will not burn. Yes, the topic is characteristics of combustion. Children, combustion is a chemical reaction in which fuel reacts with oxygen to evolve heat and releases energy. It is a chemical process or chemical reaction and in which the fuel reacts with oxygen to produce heat and energy. And second point is a smaller piece of combustible material catches fire more easily as compared to larger piece. For example, a small piece of wood, it catch fire easily as compared to thick wooden piece. Similarly, a small piece of paper catch fire more easily as compared to a ball of paper. Yes, the next topic is combustible substances. Substances which burn in air to produce heat and light are called combustible substances. Combustible substances are also called fuels. Examples of the combustible substances are wood, given in the PIC also, coal, charcoal, kerosene, petrol, diesel, liquefied petroleum gas or LPG, compressed natural gas or CNG, and kerosene, etc. So these are combustible substances.